In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your WooCommerce single product page to make sure it's exactly how you envision it. Whether you're looking to customize the look and feel of your product listings or rearrange certain elements to better suit your brand, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To kick things off, we'll start by navigating to the WordPress backend. From here, you'll need to hover over the sidebar menu and click on Appearance, then select Editor, or commonly known as the Site Editor. This is the place where most of your customization magic happens, as it gives you the tools to modify your site's templates. Once you've entered the Site Editor, take a look at the left panel. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but you'll want to focus on clicking Templates. This will bring up a list of templates that control different parts of your website. You're searching for the single product or product template, which manages the layout of your WooCommerce product pages. If you find that the single product template is already available, you can go ahead and click on it. However, if this template doesn't seem to exist in your current setup, there's no need to worry. You can easily create one by clicking on Add New Template. From there, choose Single Item and then select Product. This will generate a default template for your product page, filled with the standard WooCommerce blocks. Now, let's dive into the design aspects. The product page template should now be visible and will typically display the default WooCommerce blocks. You'll see components like the product image, product title, product price, and more. You have the freedom to edit these blocks to better reflect your brand's style. Feel free to rearrange them in the order you prefer by simply dragging and dropping them into place. Beyond the visuals, take note of functionality elements such as the Add to Cart button or the Product Stock Indicator. Your customization doesn't stop there. By utilizing Gutenberg's side panel, which you'll find on the right, you can adjust the styling of these blocks to align with your brand signature. Play around with spacing, choose colors that represent your brand identity, and ensure the typography is consistent and easy to read. This level of customization ensures your product page is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also user-friendly, helping to create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Once you've made all your desired changes, remember to save your work. You'll find the Save button conveniently located at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking this ensures that all your hard work is retained and reflected on your WooCommerce store. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now have a customized WooCommerce single product page that captures the essence of your brand. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.